Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Falcon Anime Vanguard, full guide. Start by unpacking your deck, sorting cards by clan and grade, and identifying a primary win plan. Choose 50 cards that support that plan, prioritize ride chains and search options, test with casual matches to spot weaknesses, and adjust ratios of units and triggers until games feel consistent and predictable to help you win more often. Focus deck building on a single cohesive strategy and remove cards that dilute your plan. Pick support units that accelerate your core plays and include sufficient triggers for pressure. Balance grade curves to avoid dead hands, add tutors or draw engines to fetch combos, and keep a sideboard or swap list for matchup tweaks. Practice several games and refine counts until the deck performs reliably in multiple scenarios. During matches, focus on tempo and resource management while executing your ride chain and combos. Protect pivotal rear guards and time breakthroughs when the opponent is vulnerable. Avoid overcommitting life or counterblast early. Track opponent patterns and adapt your attack order, then practice mulligan choices to keep playable hands. Small adjustments each match will expose optimal sequencing and improve decision speed for consistent wins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.